Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this portable electric nail drill. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it, give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and take a look. First impressions, it comes in a plastic little box like this. Let me go ahead and remove that plastic cover. You can see here you have your portable electric nail drill. You do get a manual for this. You get a total of 8 different nail drill bits. Give you a closer look on that. The great thing about the nail bits, if you are new to doing your nails at home or manicures, it does give you a breakdown of the nail drill bits. So it does specify what each individual nail drill is used for. So as you can see, it is a nice size. It is very portable. It is nice to take with you. You could go ahead and simply place this in a backpack purse and take it with you on the go. It does have a total of 5 different settings from baby, adult, medium, fast, and strong. And as you can see, this is where you will be putting in the nail drill bits. It also comes with a charging cable, so you could go ahead and charge this up. Take a look. This is what the cable looks like. To charge, you simply want to go ahead and plug it in on the bottom. Just like that. Another piece that is included is a dust cover. So let me go ahead and remove it from the plastic and show you that dust cover. This is what the bottom of the nail bit looks like, and this is what's going to be inserted in here. Simply place it on there, snap it in, and if you want the dust cover, all you have to do is snap that on top. Just like that. Take a look. To turn it on, it does have this right here. Take a look, you saw all that light up, and it's going to start spinning once you press down on that button. It's actually pretty fast, and that is in the baby mode. So to change it up, you simply press down. That is at the fastest speed, and that is at the baby mode. Nice, as you can see. So these little arrows, depending on what side you want it to go, either left or right, you want to go ahead and switch it up and down. So overall, if you're looking for a portable electric nail drill, I would definitely recommend this one. Check it out. It is very powerful. It's actually not very heavy. It's easy, lightweight to travel with. It does come with a total of 8 different nail drill bits, the dust cover, the charger. Check this one out. Definitely would recommend.